Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming credentials and opening settings so you can change lock behavior immediately. Make sure your Apple ID and device passcode are ready. These will be requested. If battery is low, plug in to avoid interruptions. Now tap Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode depending on your model, then enter your passcode when prompted. This gets you into the precise menu where auto lock and attention features live so you can modify them safely. Once you're in settings, go to Display and Brightness and tap Auto Lock. This controls how long the screen stays active. Pick a longer interval or select Never to prevent automatic locking. Remember, Never can reduce security and battery life. If your phone still locks because of Face ID attention checks, return to Face ID and passcode and disable attention-aware features. This stops the device from dimming or locking when it thinks you're not looking. Make sure to weigh convenience versus security. You're nearly done. Test by leaving the device idle for the new interval to confirm behavior. If it stays active, you've successfully stopped automatic lock. If not, double-check both Auto Lock and Face ID attention settings, then restart the phone. Make sure to re-enable stricter settings later if security or battery life becomes an issue. If the screen still locks unexpectedly, update iOS and try again. Updates often fix bugs affecting lock behavior, and a restart clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.